Wes.
Okay, I will start this meeting, guys. Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce my name is first. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Aji Maulana Ramadan. I'm as moderator for today. For this meeting, we use PowerPoint and 3D object. For topics, you are free to explain anything. I think you already know how to insert PowerPoint and 3D object into the room. Then I will start from Trifosa. Trifosa, are you ready? Trifosa.
Okay, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, this
Yeah.
the screen the screen is yours. You can
Okay, why?
explain your PowerPoint. Lama kali.
Gak mau. Ini apa nih hijau-hijau yang joget-joget di sini nih? Apa nih? Ini yang bikin gak mau nih. Joget-joget ini teh. Ini loh, semuanya tuh joget-joget.
Mafin punya apa nih?
Iya, si Marvin punya.
Iya sama Mafin nih, Wah. Kayak gabut betul aja punya siapa.
Masih mati dulu voice-nya, Cok. Kelihatan kah sudah?
Sudah.
Yes, I can see your PowerPoint.
Okay, wait.
Nggak bisa, kasih tau lah. I don't know.
Ntar dulu ya. Kok gak mau PI? Ntar lagi hilang. Udah kelihatan kan? Oke, guys.
Yes.
Udah kelihatan kan?
Ya sudah.
Sudah, Cak. Oke. Good night, guys. Nice to meet you. In this best for meeting, I will only discuss about my background. Regarding this background, I took the background about my tribe. I have parents from different ethnic group. My father from Sulawesi Island and my mother is from Kalimantan Island. My father is Sorajabo while my mother is of Dayak. That's why I am mixed blue, Toraja and Dayak. Toraja tribe. Toraja tribe. The Toraja tribe is a tribe that live in the mountain of the northern part of South Sulawesi, Indonesia. The thing that is always related to this tribe is Tongkonan traditional house, Tedong of Buffalo, expensive death ceremony, country above the cow. My father's right. One Rambu Solo funeral ritual for death. This traditional has the goal of delivering the soul to the afterlife in the world with a series of prayer and ritual. In the Rambu Solo traditional, there will be art performance, buffalo fight until the body is delivered to its final resting place. Second, Silaga Tedong. Silaga Tedong is a game of buffalo fighting that is still practiced by the Toraja tribe today. The goal is to provide entertainment for grieving family, as well as a view for performance for the hundred of mourners who come. To add to the excitement, the location of the buffalo fight is carried out in a wet and muddy field or in a muddy rice field area. The buffalo that are pin again are also not just any buffalo. Only buffalo with a contain type and a really fantastic selling price can come into play. 3. Manene. Clean cloth and makeup for long bird family birds. This unusual traditional is often carried out by the people of Barupu village, North Kalimantan, and is carried out 3 years after the big harvest in August. At this time of the celebration, the body is first removed from the coffin and then cleaned by the children and grandchildren. During the cleaning process, the men a circle and sing song that symbolize sadness and where the body lived before death. For Rambu Tuka Toraja. Rambu Tuka Toraja is a kind of Thanksgiving event typical of Wisconsin. The lens is a slender cell that is long V set along the leg. This wishbone is slightly deeper to the bottom and top. Okay, the Dayak tribe. The Dayak tribe is an ethnic group that inhabit the interior of the island of Borneo. What is related to the Dayak tribe? Mandau, one Mandau or Dayak traditional response, Harbil and Ngayau. The Dayak tribe has several derived tribes, including the Ngaju Dayak, the Apokayan Dayak, the Iban Dayak, the Kalimantan Dayak, the Mulut Dayak, the Pun Dayak, and the Ot Danum Dayak. Not many people know that the Dayak tribe has a unique tradition. My tribe, telinga panjang. This traditional signifies the level of nobility among the Dayak tribes. For Dayak women, the longer the age, the more beautiful they will be. Usually, a woman will accept their heir to limit of the crest while men raise their shoulder. Tedak. Tedak is a traditional of tattooing the body carried out by the Dayak people. The Dayak believe that the tattoo that is affixed has its own meaning such as strength or relation with God. The journey of life and signifies maturity. When we use eggplant flowers tattoo indicate the man has reached an adult phase. While woman maturity is marked by tattoo, the tattooing their feel in the front to Tedak goys or typical Dayak tattoo carvings. 3. Ngayo, hating the enemy head. Ngayo traditional is not carried out by Dayak tribe because this traditional is considerable and extreme. The Iban and Kenya Dayak tribe still maintain Ngayo. 4. Meja panjang or long table. The long table is a big event carried out by the Dayak tribe as a thanksgiving from being given properties in growing rice. The long table is big event carried by the Dayak tribe. Like people hold this even when this finish harvesting their crops. Many of them brought the food they had prepared in in the respective home and took them to the traditional hall. Their traditional weapon, Mando is a sword weapon like a machine originated from the Dayak culture in Kalimantan. Mando is included in one of Indonesian traditional weapons whose general use began in the 17th to 18th centuries. Traditional clothes from Dayak, Ta'a, the attributes that are worn when wearing traditional clothing are hat, earring, necklace, bracelets, and to the arm bracelets, ring, pendang, bell, actis, and bar feet hairs. The traditional clothes are often used when they're in important events such as dancing, harvest party, laryngeal deliberation, and other events. From Toraja, pokok, the attribute worn on hand, earrings, mastura, sopok, pokok, concern are sapi or on the mbayu, ambero, and brakel. The color of pokok are yellow, red, white, and white. This color is hallmark of the South Sulawesi. Okay, guys. Any question for me?
Thank you, Trifosa, about your presentation. Very interesting. Maybe anyone want to ask? Kamu di depan aja Trifosa, jangan mundur dulu. Malvin or Miss Nita, do you have question for Trifosa? Hello guys, can you hear me? Malvin, Miss Nita.
Yeah.
Do you have question for Trifosa?
Yeah, maybe for me for right now I don't have any question, but I'm very interested in Dayak trip in whether it's the culture or about the Dayak people. Yeah, I'm so interested about the Dayak culture. Yeah, it is about the uh I think in my opinion the Dayak people is it is very cool, yeah, very cool and amazing because when I in junior high school I apa ya istilahnya uh being some friends like that, being some friends for the Dayak culture or the Dayak trade like that.
Okay, thank you, Malvin.
How about you, Miss Nita? Do you have question?
Okay, so far I don't have a question about a material the present Ahmad Trifosa. Sorry juga tadi telat masuknya.
Okay, no problem.
Maybe next. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Trifosa. Halo Trifosa.
Yes, lagi. Yeah.
Can you introduce your name in your local language, in Dayak language? Because I'm curious about the regional language of your area.
Okay, Aji, can you repeat?
Can you introduce your name in your local language, in Dayak language or Taroja atau Toraja? Because I'm curious about the Dayak language of your area. Kamu perkenalkan.
Oke.
Oke.
Ya, apa Ji?
Kamu bisa nggak perkenalkan diri, nama doang pakai bahasa Dayak gitu?
Oke. Ngadan ke Trifosa Lovely Farsia. Udah itu aja.
Madam K.
Ngadan itu nama, ngadan ke.
Ngadan K. If I want to say I am me, I say I said like what?
Hah?
Kalau mau bilang
What?
aku itu di bahasa Dayaknya gimana?
Bahasa Dayaknya apa?
Aku, me, I am.
Oh, ake.
Ake, berarti ngadam ke namaku ya.
Ya, ngadan, bukan ngadam.
Ya,
ngadan.
sorry. Ngadan ke. Thank you, Trifosa.
Ya.
Halimah.
Oke, Ji.
Oh, Halimah. Maybe if nothing anyone want to say, you can close your presentation, Trifosa. Okay, thank you, Trifosa.
Oke, Ji.
Okay. Because Miss Nita has come, maybe the next one is Miss Nita. Miss Nita, are you ready?
Yes. I tried
Okay, this screen is yours.
the screen ya.
Yes. Kamu bisa presentasi di
Thank
depan
you
nggak?
Aji.
Ya, you're welcome.
Ini aku udah maju belum ya?
Maybe I
Masih
will
agak
to
bingung
pause
soalnya.
this recording. 2, 3. Okay, Miss Nita, you can
Okay.
start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. Mungkin maybe let me introduce myself first. My name is Nurlina Husnita. My nickname or my friends usually call me Nita. I am 22 years old. I am a Bachelor of Law from Unpad, a fresh graduate. I live in my hometown in Bandung. Currently, I am taking a role as researcher and lecturer assistant at Unpad. In this opportunity, I want to tell you guys about one of my favorite hobby, watching Korean drama. For me, it's very interesting and one of the way to heal my mind from daily routinity. Okay, next, I will present to you guys my top 5 favorite Korean drama. First is Startup. This drama tells us about a woman, which is Bae Suzy, who has a dream of becoming an entrepreneur like Steve Jobs, and also tells about her love story between a man who is secretly her first love and another man who is pretending to be her first love. This drama, I think, giving us a lot of values, like we must never give up, achieve your goals. And every people have their time and way, and life must go on. Out of many problems comes to our life. Second is Itaewon Class. This drama tells about a man that in the past was get dropped out from high school, and also was a prisoner. But despite all the struggle, he can success reach his goals as CEO and a business. This drama have a moral values that we must move on from our past, and your past doesn't define your future. And remember, there's always the rainbow after the storm. Next, the third is Crash Landing on You. This drakor gives us a story which is a cross genre, like drama, comedy, romance in one frame. Honestly, I am truly impressive to Hyun Bin and So Ye Ji love story in this drama. And this drama, from this drama, I think we can learn that affection can be a strength in life, and maybe this drama suitable for daily healing because give us easy plotting story. And the fourth is Hi Bye Mama. This drakor tells about a woman that has been a ghost since she did after 5 years ago. Through a reincarnation process, she is given the possibility to become a human again for a time to see her family and also her daughter. From this drama, we can understand that family is everything we need. And one thing you must remember that appreciate your loved ones before it is too late, and your life is not only yours. The last but not least is Partner for Justice. This drama tells us about a prosecutor which collaborates with a forensic doctor to solve any criminal case. In this drama, every case is extraordinary and unique. Also, this drama gives us a new insight about criminal investigation and forensic, and each case have a different solutions. So, guys, which one your favorite Korean drama? Please tell me about it. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Miss Nita.
Let's
Maybe
see.
anyone want to ask?
Tetap stay ini.
Yes. Trifosa, Halimah, and Malvin, do you have question for Miss Nita? Miss Nita, you can keep it open your PowerPoint.
Screen. Okay.
Hello, guys. Malvin, Halimah,
Maybe.
and Trifosa, do you have question for Miss Nita?
Maybe.
Yes, Miss Nita.
Maybe you guys can spill your favorite Korean drama. Aji, which one?
What for myself? There's nothing I like about Korean drama yet. Because I prefer to Western movie.
Western movie.
Yes.
For example?
Maleficent or Cruella, and Disney film, Disney movie.
Disney movie.
Yes. Miss Nita, you said you like Korean drama. Do you also like K-pop? K-pop?
Not yet. Apa ya? I don't like K-pop too much, but for Korean song, I like soundtrack from Drakor only.
Oh, I think
not like BTS, Blackpink, not.
Oh, I think you like K-pop too.
No, I just enjoy Korean drama with their soundtrack.
Okay. Maybe Trifosa, Halimah, and Malvin, do you have question for Miss Nita? Or you can spill your favorite Korean drama if you like to to watch Korean drama.
Okay, thank you, Aji. Maybe from me, I don't really like the Korean movie or Korean drama, and the movie is I like is like anime movie, like a anime series, because yeah, I prefer to watch some anime. Then I watch some Korean drama or Korean movie. I think like that.
Which kind of anime you like, Melvin tadi?
Okay. The kind of yeah, maybe from the genre. Yeah, from the genre, I really like about the adventure genres and the apa ya, slice of life like that, and yeah, the typical anime look like about the adventures.
How about One Piece?
I don't follow the One Piece because
Oh.
Yeah, for the first time, I don't follow for the one episode until now. I just follow about the Naruto series and about the fairy tale in the anime like that, and Black Clover like that. Yes.
Okay. One Piece have maybe up to 1,000 episodes, yeah.
Yeah. It is just a long series.
From other maybe. Tadi ada siapa lagi ya? Sorry.
Trifosa and Halimah.
Trifosa and Halimah.
Halimah, you can say something, Halimah.
About Korean drama or
I don't like Korean drama, but I watching one of K-drama, namely is Moon Lovers. It's just like
Jisoo ya, Jisoo Moon Lovers.
itu.
Jisoo is visual from Blackpink. How about you, Trifosa? Do you like K-drama?
For me, I like Korean drama. I like group Korea.
Maybe you can spill the title.
Yes. Group band, boy band, girl band. I like Korea. Dramanya juga. For drama, I like a Penthouse. Penthouse. Yes. Not have 3 seasons ya. And yes. Ya, film Dajjal. Dajjal movie. Siapa sih waktu itu ininya? Aduh, lupa. And I like itu apa namanya Train to Busan, tapi yang season pertama. Season apa yang kedua tuh agak boring maybe ya. Ya, yang kedua nggak nyambung sama yang pertama. Slut ya, the name nih. Yes. Okay, Aji.
Okay, thank you Trifosa, thank you Miss Nita, and thank you Halimah and Melvin. Okay, if no one else want to ask, maybe Miss Nita you can close your PowerPoint, and we continue to the next person. Okay, and the next person is Halimah. Halimah, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, wait. I will pause this record. Okay, Halimah, if you ready, you can start now. Halimah.
Okay, guys. Good evening. My name is Halimah. I will bring the topic that is anthropology. Wait, ulang.
Halim, presentasi kamu mana? Aku udah kelihatan.
Ini loh, masa nggak kelihatan gedenya?
Kelihatan.
Itu kayak bentuk link gitu doang.
Kelihatan,
Gimana
lanjut aja.
Kelihatan atau tidak?
Kelihatan. You can
ini
continue.
Kalau aku...
Ya udah lanjut aja. Aku nggak usah lihat lah, Pale.
Ini kalau apa sih namanya ganti slide gitu kelihatan nggak?
Yes, I can
Iya,
see.
punya aku nggak ada.
No problem Halima because I
Ulang
can
kan?
see your PowerPoint.
Oke, aku ulang ya.
Ya.
Jaringanmu jelek kali. Gitu. Oke. Good night everyone. My name is Salima. I will bring the topic that is anthropology. Anthropology is the science of humans. Anthropology comes from the Greek words anthropos, which means humans, and logos, which means this. Siapa yang ganti lagi itu ya Allah? Siapa yang sentuh-sentuh PowerPoint kok? Ih, ulang lagi. Kan ada yang ganti-ganti. According to etymology, anthropology is the study of the humans. In conducting studies on humans, anthropology puts forward two important concepts, namely holistic and comparative. Anthropology is a science that was born from unlimited curiosity about monkey from David Hunter. Anthropology aims to better understand and approach humans as biological entities of Homo sapiens and social beings in an interdisciplinary and comprehensive framework. Therefore, anthropology uses the theory of biological evolution in providing meaning and historical facts in explaining the journey of mankind on Earth since the beginning of its appearance. Anthropology also uses cross-cultural studies to emphasize and explain the difference between human groups in the perspective of material culture, social behavior, language, and way of life. Anthropology was born or originates from the interests of Europe in the physical characteristics, custom, and culture other ethnicities that were different from the societies now in Europe. At that time, anthropological studies focused more on the population, which was a single society in the sense of a community unit living in the same geographical area, having similar physical characteristics and the language used and the same way of life. However, in its development, anthropology is no longer just studying a single human group that inhabits the same geographical area. Anthropological studies on migration issues, for example, later gave birth to multi-site ethnographic studies. This happens because in its development, the movement of people both in one particular regional area to the global scope is an increasingly common phenomenon. Anthropology is a science that studies human diversity holistically, including social, cultural, biological, linguistic, and environmental aspects in the past, present, and future dimension of time. Divides anthropology into four subdisciplines, namely social, cultural anthropology, archaeology, biological anthropology, and linguistic anthropology. That's all for me. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, Halima. Maybe anyone want to ask? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Do you have question for Halima about the R R R topology?
Antropologi.
Maybe you can.
Halima, I wanna
Yeah.
ask something. I wanna ask something.
Okay.
Okay. Apa ya? Lastly, I search about the anthropology. Anthropology, yeah, in the certain anthropology is the revolution of the human, right? Revolution,
Yes.
ya, apa ya istilahnya? Ya, aku baru ingat gitu ya. Ya, you know about the Charles Darwin?
No.
Ya, Darwin is apa ya istilahnya? Penemu seperti itu, tentang about the revolution of the human. Ya, anthropology berkesinambungan gitu tentang revolusi manusia, dari manusia kera sampai saat ini. Dan ya, do you prefer to believe about the Charles Darwin or believe about the religion? Because about the religion, we know that for human to from the Adam and until now, not from the monkey human, because the Charles Darwin say that the human self, before we in the right now in the centuries right now, apa ya, manusia tuh sebelumnya mirip kera seperti itu. Kamu lebih you prefer to believe about the Charles Darwin or about the religion, about the apa ya istilahnya, evolution of the human evolution. Jadi kamu lebih percaya ke teorinya Charles Darwin atau tentang ajaran agama
Kalau
tentang
untuk aku
evolusi
sih,
manusia?
aku lebih percaya ke agama sih. Tapi untuk yang Charles Darwin itu, aku lebih mau mempelajari tentang pemikiran dia yang sebelumnya sampai menemukan bahwa manusia itu berasal dari kera gitu loh. Aku pengen tahu kayak gimana sih asal usulnya sampai dia berpikiran seperti itu. Ya, itu yang mau aku pelajari lagi.
Okay, yeah. I think that's great. Because you're still student. You must learn anything about the knowledge. You must learn about the knowledge about the anthropology. Okay, thank you Halima for your answers.
Thank you.
Thank you, Malvin. Maybe
Okay.
Trifosa or Miss Nita, do you have question?
For me, nothing.
Okay. How about you, Miss Nita?
Tes.
Yes, I can hear your voice.
For me, as I don't have a question, but I really appreciate Halimah for the presentation you present to me and friends. Maybe it's all.
Okay, thank you. Halimah.
Ya,
Why did you take the topic about anthropology?
can you repeat?
Why did you take the topic about anthropology?
Aku jawab pakai bahasa Indo aja ya.
Yes, maybe you can use a Google translate like me. Or maybe Malvin want to help you to speak in English version. Halo.
Iya. Apa tadi? Kenapa aku memilih ini ya?
Yes.
Because I'm interested in metaphysics and philosophy. Jadi apa ya? Aku lagi suka baca tentang filosofi gitu, sama belajar metafisika. Nah, jadi antropologi ini termasuk dalam salah satu kayak cabangnya metafisika gitu. Makanya aku pilih. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Halimah. Do you have 3D object about the anthropology, Halimah? Halo. Okay, you don't have, no problem. Loading, Halimah. What is this, guys? Siapa yang naruh ini? Loading tau di aku. Halo guys, kenapa sunyi banget sih?
Bukan aku.
Okay, thank you Halimah for your explain about anthropology. Maybe if no one else want to ask Halimah, you can close the PowerPoint, Halimah. We continue to the next person. Oh my god, this object make my device lagging. Maybe you can delete, guys. Help me. My device so lagging. Do you can you hear my voice? Or maybe my voice tidak keluar.
I can hear you.
Okay, thank you, Malvin. This object make my device lag. Oh wait, I tried to delete.
Remove the object, please.
Okay, done. Thank you, Halimah. Okay, we continue.
Thank you, Aji.
Yeah, you're welcome. To the last person, Malvin. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready because Uh, can you help me for
Yes,
present the PPT?
yes, I can help you. Wait, I will pause this record. Okay, Melvin, if you ready to uh, presentation, you can start now.
Okay. All right. Good evening, fellas. Today in this session, I will share with you about the first introduction about me and about my favorite things and like that. And as you know, maybe you don't know me before, yeah. Maybe you don't know me before, and I will introduce myself. And yeah, I was born in on the October and in ninth in the 2003, and I grew up in the Smara from the elementary school until the vocational high school. I was in Semarang. So at the Semarang, today I was for graduated in the vocational seven vocational high school Semarang. Yeah, currently I'm in the grade 4 and currently I'm running in internship in a program in Bandung. And uh, many people call me for the short is Finn. You can call me Finn for a short. And I always enjoying stay at home because I'm not the extrovert people. I'm the a little bit the introvert people, and I'm the second child in my family, and I was uh and I have two siblings, and yeah, I really like about the music and about the PPT about the PPT. Uh, it is about the digital art. It's about digital art, and I love about the art. Art is about the music or about the painting or about the singing and any else. Yeah, if you know the what is the art about. Yeah. For the PPT, the PPT is gone. Yeah, Aji, can you help me?
Okay, wait, Melvin. I think my connection. Wait, I pause, guys. Okay, Melvin, you can continue.
Okay, okay. Thank you, fellas. For I will continue. Okay, I will next the yeah. You can call me Finn for a short, yeah. And my favorite movie is anime, and my favorite subject is art and music, and my favorite place is in on the bedroom. Just I don't really like for the spend time to for the many things about the activities in the out of house like that. And for now, I will discuss about the digital art. It is my favorite things, and selain music like that. Okay, so if you don't know about the digital art before, I will I'll explain for the digital art. Yeah, for the digital art, once called about the computer art or new media art, refers to art made using software. It is software to the computers or to handphone or other electronic device. Yeah, anything about the produce or made on the digital art, such as animation, photograph, and illustrations, videos, and digital paintings, and such can be classified as digital art. So, if you know about the animation 3D or 2D, and know about fotografi seperti itu dan ilustrasi tentang video, ya, yeah, that's all is digital art. That's all digital art. If you know or talk about digital art, they are such kind of the digital art. Okay, so that's explanation about the digital art. Yeah, digital art is not about the painting or not about the drawing, and you can see about the digital art. It look like a movie or music and editing videos and animation like that. It is digital art. In this session, I will talk about the painting and the drawing in the digital. And here will next the okay. So what is digital art used for? So many people talk about the function of the digital art. The function of digital art. If you know, or if you don't know about the function, yeah, digital art is controls application and use. But is most commonly used about the commercial settings. And if you know the Instagram or Twitter, and the application is you can see about the Gojek or Shopee. Yeah. Sometimes the Gojek and Shopee that's promotion their product with the digital art, and for the commercial set for the commercial things and anything about that. Yeah. Uh, the ease of publishing and sharing and selling digital art has made many new jobs and careers available for the digital artists all around the world. Digital art can also be used to create graphic design. Okay, for your information, guys, for your information, if you want some job or some job tips, you can you can know about the Fiverr. If you know Fiverr is platform who has some penyedia layanan jasa seperti itu. Ya, Fiverr, the function of Fiverr for the job for you if you can make some digital art or make some drawing or make some website. If you know about the design, you can make for the customers. You can meet the customers. You can paid with the jobs you are at in the Fiverr. So the Fiverr is important things or useful application for your got some money for your job like that. The name is Fiverr. You can search about the application. Yeah, I will type in this chat. Yeah, if you wanna try Fiverr, for the seeing in the application, yeah. Okay, so okay, my device is lagging. Sorry, guys. Wait, okay, I will continue. So, for the digital art is useful for your any work. Yeah, it is about talk about the metaverse. It's about the digital art you can promote in the metaverse, and you can promote in the OpenSea too, and you can search about the digital art in the OpenSea and in the metaverse. I will next this PPT. Yeah, the example of the digital art. You can see the example of the drawing, and yeah, how is digital art made? Sometimes you can make some digital art or the digital art. I said that the digital art is not just for the drawing or painting. It's about the animation, for the photograph, anything or any else. And yeah, digital drawing or digital painting, and you can see that it is made from the paper or from the paper in the digital. Yeah, you can use some handphone or use some PC for drawing or painting in the PC or handphone. If you talk about the digital art, yeah, it's there's available for the traditional art and digital art. Digital art is made from the digital application like Ibis Paint, like Corel Draw, or like a Clip Studio Paint, and any else. And about the traditional art is made from the paper traditional, and made from the pencil and paper. Yeah. Sometimes use ballpoint like that. And this is in the apa ya, in the bawah ya, seperti itu example for the digital art. The artist, yeah. When you talk about the digital art, when you talk the art is the object, and the subject is artist. The artist is apa ya istilahnya, maker from the apa ya, pembuat seninya, dan art itu adalah objeknya, seperti itu. Dan the name of the artist of the example for this digital art is called by Hyun Pitch. If you search about the Hyun Pitch in Instagram, you can see the Hyun Pitch Instagram here. Nah, okay, you can search in the Instagram. I will next for this session. Okay, the digital art many different ways using the different what's useful to prepare to make some digital art. Okay, so the first thing a bit of hard work and of talent. If you not about the talent, it's about the hard work and interesting. If you're not interested in the digital art, yeah, you cannot make some digital art. If you interested in the digital art, I think you can make some digital art, and you have a talent for the your hard work for the digital art. Okay, so the next is drawing tablet with a pen. I think it's about optional for the digital art. Yeah, you can use a finger in your when you make digital art in the handphone. Yeah. Okay, some software such as Photoshop and Ibis Paint, and yeah, the last is the creativity and imagination. If you know about the artist, mostly the artists have a creativity and imagination. Have a lot of the imagination and creativity. You must have a creativity and imagination like that. Next. Okay, is digital art difficult? It's not necessarily. Sometimes in some ways you make some digital art. It can be difficult for traditional artists when you're switching to the digital forms. Yeah, if you are before try about the traditional art, make some art in the paper, you switch in the digital art. Yeah, it's difficult because you have to learn about the digital art. Okay, next. Okay, it's lagi. Okay, for the digital art, it's easier for the beginners. I think if you wanna make some digital art, you can try to apply or coret-coret di kertas. You can, for the beginners, digital art still requires similar basic artistic skills about that. And in some ways, digital art can be easier drawing due to having the ability to undo mistakes with without much consequence, like that. You must learn about the coret-coret ya, seperti coret-coret on the paper, like that. Okay. Next. Okay. I think it's the finish for my sessions. Okay, everyone. I think that's all from me. That's all for I can share with you about the digital art. I can talk with you about the digital art. Okay, thank you guys for your listening. Okay, thank you, Aji.
Okay, thank you, Melvin. Very interesting about the digital art. Maybe anyone want to ask? Hello, guys.
I want
Okay.
Melvin.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I want to ask you about what is the best application to make digital art that makes us easier to create digital art.
Okay. I think you should try Ibis Paint in the device handphone ya, and the interface tampilannya itu it's not difficult to learn, and you just need or prepare for your phone and don't need about the pen tablet like that, and you can use a finger for your make digital art for and many artists mostly they all use some pen tablet, you use some PC making output ya. Jadi kayak istilahnya lebih buat pen tablet itu lebih buat profesional, lebih ke profesionalitas ya. Science. I use for the Ibis Paint for the beginners. I use Ibis Paint too, like that.
Okay, Melvin, thank you for sharing, and I think this is very insightful about digital art. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, you're welcome.
Melvin, thank you, Miss Nita. Melvin, I have a question.
Yeah.
In this site made by you, this digital art.
So?
Is this
what's the question?
This digital art made by you? Are you?
Oh, it's not. Okay. The example for my presentation, it's not mine because it's in the Instagram. It's my Instagram. I make some digital art and I archive that. It's made by Hyun Pitch. It's made by Hyun Pitch. You can search in the chat you can search in the Instagram the username Hyun Pitch. It is made by Hyun Pitch. The artist from the Korea. Seperti itu Aji.
Yes, Melvin. So you have done it. You have done to make digital art. Why not put in your PowerPoint?
Okay. Apa ya? The digital my digital art my digital art.
Yes.
It has been developed for my Instagram account because it's my old Instagram account.
Oh,
In the New Year's, I don't have the backup for the digital art for the apa ya istilahnya for mine gitu loh.
ya tahu.
Jadi ya
You can screenshot Malvin.
nah itu sayangnya di situ aku sudah screenshot I screenshot my digital art and my data. I don't back up my data before.
Oh,
Yeah, I changed my device because I changed my handphone before that moment before that tragedy
okay,
like that
Malvin.
actually.
Thank you.
Okay.
Maybe Trifosa and Halimah, do you have question for Malvin before we close this meeting? Halo, Halimah, Trifosa, are you still here?
Yes.
Do you have question for Malvin?
No, I don't have question.
Okay, how about you, Trifosa? Okay, Malvin, maybe no one else want to ask or want to say something. You can close the PowerPoint, Malvin.
Okay, thank you, Aji.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you guys for your listening, for your attending in this session, and yeah, good evening, everyone.
Evening. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, thank you for your attending, guys, for this meeting. Very interesting. We meet again. I don't know when, because the moderator not me. Okay, guys. Nice to meet you. Thank you and good evening. All of you can leave this room, guys. Dadah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you, Aji.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, everyone.
Guys, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you too. Dadah. All of you can leave this room because the
Lo Aji,
other group want
Aji,
to meet
Aji,
in here.
habis ini ada meeting.
Yes. Ya, aku ada meeting lagi, Vin.
Okay.